So in this video, we'll be looking at a challenge called Passphrase. Let us read the challenge prompt. You found one of their spacesuits forgotten in a room. You wear it, but before you go away, guard stops you and asks some questions. This challenge is going to raise 33 euros for a cause. So it provides us with a downloadable instance, which I have already have downloaded. So if I ls, this is the passphrase or the instance. So let us run strings. As you can see, we do not get anything interesting. Halt, you do not look familiar. This is what it will display if we run it. Tell me the secret passphrase. We do not have the secret passphrase. If the passphrase is wrong, it will raise an intruder alert. But if it is right, it will say that sorry for suspecting you. Please transfer this important message to the chief, and it will provide us with the flag. So let us run the passphrase binary. Again, let us tell the secret passphrase as ASDF, intruder alert, and it exits the program. So there are a couple of ways in which we can solve it. First, let us run ltrace. So what is ltrace? So it is a library called tracer. So whenever I run this binary passphrase, it will make a couple of library calls. So one of them will be string compare, because if I am entering a passphrase, it will essentially compare this against a predefined value, and with the help of ltrace, I'll be able to find that what parameters are being sent to system compare, because system compare takes in two parameters, the first that the user entered and the second that is hard coded. So ltrace will be able to give me what is hard coded. So let us run ltrace. So tell me the secret passphrase. I'll be entering SDF. So let us see. So this, as you can see, it is running strcmp, and this is the flag for challenge. So this is a hard coded text, and this is the text that I entered. So this is the value, or this is the flag for the challenge. So next I'll be telling you how I solved it with the help of read array. Passphrase aaa afl pdf at the rate main, because main is our function over here. So once we hit pdf at the rate main, we get a flag. So the flag is extract strings versus humans. So there are two ways in which the flag could be stored. Either it could be hard coded, or the second thing is it could be obfuscated. So here the programmer had written ASCII values and not the actual characters, because if he had written characters, we could have easily run strings and found everything. But here he entered ASCII characters, which the red array has translated to characters for us. Again, the third way in which we can solve it is by setting up a breakpoint in string comparison. So string comparison takes in two values, two parameters. The first one will be the value that is hard coded, and the second is that we enter. So if I set up a breakpoint over here, I'll be able to see what the values it was comparing it against. So let us set a breakpoint dc. Tell me the secret. I'll be entering SDF, and we have hit the breakpoint just in string comparison. Function call was being made. So let us enter DRR to look at the status of the registers, and as you can see, we get the flag for the challenge. So thank you guys. This is it for the video.